Hey everyone, my name is Vanya and today we are gonna do a new recording of my social media portfolio. Oh, by the way, I'm on TikTok and Instagram too, so if you want to follow me there, you can click that link below. So I did the full portfolio, so I'm kind of updating my old portfolio that I posted here on YouTube. A walkthrough of how I did the new version because I also kind of saw a little bit of parang mga feedback from employers based on how I did my last portfolio. So hope you can learn more today, and if you are interested in downloading the template, make sure to stick around so that I can explain to you how I actually did the portfolio. Here's the first page of the portfolio. So what I did on the first page was to just put in an image, and obviously it's black and white. Compared to my old portfolio template, which is here, medyo mas playful siya. Kasi it uses icons, it uses a lot of things. But for this one naman, it's very plain and very professional yung itsura. That's why I wanted to kind of make this new portfolio template a little bit more minimalist and very, very deck-like or presentation-like. So on my first page, I just put in my name here, what I do. You can add a little bit more about yourself here and your work portfolio. So in this part, you can put the things that you do as, let's say, a digital marketer, a social media manager, etc., etc. So basically, that's a super short description of what you do. Just in case you are applying for a new job, at least makikita ka agad ni client or ni employer yung ginagawa mo in just one click. In my second page, this is where I placed everything about me. You can put this on the center or you can put this on the side. And then I just added this work portfolio here. Then I added the photo. Tapos kung ano man yung gusto ko. This is actually a text lang that I got from the template. But basically, it kind of showcases lang who you are as a person. On the third page, this is where I place the work experience. You can put in the company name, years, kung kailan ka nag-work doon, and then a little bit of description of what you did there. Basically, very, very much similar with how you currently do your portfolio or your CV or your resume. So you can put as much company as you can. You can put here. Make sure lang na when you do the layouts, you do it from left to right. Kasi diba, pag nagbabasa ka ng libro from left to right. So for example, you're gonna do a chronological order of the companies. Let's say 2020 to present. Ito yung current job mo. Pwede dito is 2014 to 2019. And then dito yung 2040, let's say dito to 2040. So you kind of do it that way. Make sure left to right. Pag nag-layout ka, especially yung landscape yung layout. So in this page naman, basically you can add the services that you offer. You can put a little bit of description per service that you offer para at least your client would have an idea na kung ano na yung mga kailangan mo or kaya mong gawin. Usually this gives you a little bit of an edge, especially if you can do multiple things in one go. If you're doing social media management and you can do copywriting, graphic design, and video editing at the same time, it makes you more of a multimedia artist. Mas mabilis ka nalang makukuha. And likely, mas mataas yung pwede mong i-single sa kanila. So after the services offered, I just added a little bit of work samples. You can add the grid, like what I did before. Diba? Yung shinare ko dito sa YouTube, I made sample work grid or sample Instagram post, depending on what you do actually. You can do it right there. So I added just a couple of work samples. I did a screenshot of it or whatever it is. Then you put in the company name, or if you're not comfortable with that one, you can put the industry, and then you just put yung service rendered and a little bit of description of what you did there. And then you can also add, for example, you did graphic design, you did a little bit of TikTok editing for vertical videos. And what's new with this portfolio is that I also added case study. So the difference of a case study and some work samples is basically in a case study, you kind of have to discuss the problem of the client and the solution that you give to the client. So medyo mas in-depth siya compared to work samples. Kasi yung work samples, it will just give them the idea of the kind of output that you can bring in. But for the case study, it kind of give your clients, your thinking process or thought process on how you solve their problems. Medyo mas malaki yung edge ng mga portfolio na may case study kasi parang nakikita ni client, okay, marunong siya mag-solve ng problem in this way. So, madalas kong ginagawa is that they kind of put in a little bit of case study. But my trick for this one is, I kind of put lang a headline, which is kunwari ito, increased website sales. This is my headline for this case study. So, ibig sabihin, yan yung nagawa ko for them. I placed the services rendered. So, for example, in this case, I did the full digital marketing strategy. Then I kind of discussed the sample of the problem. So, for example, nilagay ko lang yung problem ng company na yon and the solution that I gave them. But ang catch, hindi ko binubuo yung mismong problem and solution dun sa slide because what I want to do is to discuss this and be able to present it to the client during the conversation or during the interview because it gives me more of parang conversation na pwede kong i-open dun sa client. So, mas malaki yung discussion na pwede kong i-open when I do that. So, I kind of put in bullets. In this case, I just put in siguro 1 to 2 sentences ng problem, solution, and mga 3 to 4 sentences. And then I discuss it during the call para mag-gets nila like, okay, ano yung ginawa ni Vanya for this one? Ito ba yung present niya? Etc. etc. So, mas may idea sila kung paano ka mag-work. So you can put in as much case studies as you can. Make sure to put some screenshots. Sometimes I do also, I put in my name on top of the screenshot kasi baka nakawin din minsan. yung mismong pinapresent ko. So, dyan nilalagay ko rin yan. Yung services offered and rates. Pwede ka na maglagay, let's say, $20 per hour. Bahala ka na. Or parang rate card. Ayan. Inedit ko onto rate card para at least alam na nila kung how much yung typical rate mo. And then, I just close the portfolio very, very quick. Last is how they can contact me. So, I put in my mobile number, WhatsApp, Telegram, whatever works for you, your Skype, put your email, put your address. At least they know that you're from the Philippines and that's it. It's very short and sweet, more formal atong portfolio na to. So hopefully, if this works out for you, let me know in the comment section down below. Or if you want to download the template, I'm gonna put the link to the template here. I'm just gonna edit it out para alam niyo lang kung ano ilalagay niyo. But basically, this is how I kind of made our new portfolio for Z Studios. And also, actually, I was also gonna update my portfolio with this one. So hopefully this would help you. And if you have any other requests on any other Loom videos that you want me to record, for example, siguro next time in-depth naman tayo na case studies kung paano siya ginagawa. Or something about CVs kasi marami din nagtatanong about it. So yun lang. Make sure to comment down below on any requests that you have para matulungan ko din kayo with your freelancing and virtual assistant journey. So yun lang for today. Hopefully you like this video and you subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. That's Vanya Tantoko. TikTok, Vanya Tantoko _. You can also email me if you want to hire ZE Digital Studios. We are a digital marketing agency, so if you need marketing services for your company, you can email us at info@zstudiosph.com, or you can also message me on Instagram. So that's it, and hopefully you learned something new today. And yun lang. Bye everyone!